guys, we're gonna take a break. Alright. Hey, knock it off!
This floating disc has disturbed my meditation.
Sorry?
Oh, you should be. I have been meditating and fasting in these woods for decades, brushing up on secret kung fu techniques passed down from generation to generation. Boy, give me your butterfinger and I will teach you all of the secret Shaolin kung fu techniques.
There's a vending machine back over there.
I am an old hermit. Do you think I have money?
What's wrong with your speech?
You need to respect your elders. Now I will teach you a lesson, whether you like it or not. Yeah. Wah.
He just wants my butterfinger, but it's mine.
Then give it to him.
Oh,